This is the eWallet application. This application is $9.99 and it is available in the App Store. Now, eWallet will let you store your passwords, usernames, and PIN numbers all securely. It uses strong 256-bit AES encryption. It will let you store your bank and credit card information. It actually links to the banks in case you need to go directly there. And it has a timeout lock to keep you safe. So whenever you first open up this application, it shows a default My Wallet. And then you have, of course, one wallet for you. If you have someone else that uses it, they can have their own wallet. Inside your wallet, you have different categories. So we have a info tab at the bottom right. This is developed by Ilium Software. You can go directly to their website if you have a problem with their software, you have a question. You can figure that very easily. They have great support. So we have the wheel down here. This is our edit button. From here we can add a new wallet. We can delete current wallets. And we can edit current wallets. We can change the name. And we can turn security on if we have a password. So we do an ASDF password, ASDF password, and an ASDF hint. So now we're going to enter the password for your wallet. And you can unlock. From here you can limit the password attempts. You can lock out after 5 attempts or after 30 minutes. And you can change that. You can change that as well. Very, very customizable. Also, we have a lockout when inactive. If you've been inactive for X amount of minutes, you'll automatically lock out. So that nobody else can pick it up and find it later. So I'm going to show you the sample that they give you. Now you can create your own. These are categories. We can create a category. We can do a new wallet. Say we had a category for, credit cards. We'll have a category for travel, because they show you can do your passport. You can do your frequent flyer miles. You can do a Sprint calling card, just a a miscellaneous category. Then you can have your credit cards. You can have a specific category for, say, username and passwords or websites. So on this Get Started one, this just shows you a little bit of what they can do. That's basically what I just showed you, and they have hints right there. Also, when in this mode, you have an information tab right here, which will display the exact same information but in a more streamlined format. Tells you how secure they are. Basically, there's everything that I just showed you. Also, they also allow you to personalize your cards. You can use any picture in your photo gallery as a background of one of your cards, or they give you a set of default images that you can use. So say we wanted to set up our eBay password or a password for any website really. We have the site name, eBay. We can put our username in there. We have our password and then the URL to that website. All we have to do is tap show. It shows the password. So we're going on our website, we need the password, we pull up our iPhone, pull up this card, tap show, and now we have our password for any other website that we need. This is how it looks for credit cards. You have the number, the expiration date, the name on the card, the phone number, if it gets lost or stolen, because how do you know the phone number if it gets lost or stolen? And we have a show and hide button for the PIN number. And also if we tap this information tab, we flip it over and just like a regular credit card we can look up the CVV2 number. Also you see it has a live link directly to their bank in case we need to go there and report a stolen card or log in through online banking. The same thing for a MasterCard. You can tell it just looks a little different to look like a MasterCard. No rotate mode. Again, you can type the information, find out the CVV2 number, any other kind of information. And whenever you set a card up, you can set up what they call as notes. And that's what that is right there. See, this person set up a note for this card saying, what is this security question? And it gave the answer. So in case you forget your security question very easily, and you can add anything right there. It doesn't have to be the security question, it can be any kind of miscellaneous note that you just want to put in there. And the best part about this, like I said, you don't have to worry about anything as long as you put a password on your wallet, like I just did. It will use 256-bit AES encryption, so it will be very, very hard, if not impossible, to hack if it gets stolen. And the convenience factor of this is just tremendous.